Hello, my besties. Welcome to Classic Hairstyle and Vlog. And I'm your host, Classic, okay? So, guys, what I'm about to do today, guys, I'm about to unbox my new mannequin. And, guys, this new mannequin, I'm going to show you guys how to do the how to press, do the silk press with this mannequin. I'm not gonna take this mannequin and just like braid with this mannequin. No, I'm not gonna braid with this mannequin. So guys, help me unbox it, okay? I received it today from Amazon. Come in this lovely looking box, guys. Here it is. So we are about to open it up. All right. Yes. So here it is, guys. Here it is. Here it is, guys. So I'm going to show you what it comes with. Let me show you. Here is some little perks inside. They have combs there. And they have the little like, yeah, they have the little combs here where you can put it in. It has the headband. It has the little, let me show you guys. Let me show you what it comes with. And it has scrunchie too, guys. So where am I starting to open it? Oh, put it up here. Let's see what we have here. So here it is, guys. You have the headband. And then here you have a comb. Okay. And then you have this little like a band, your bandu, whatever. And then you have the little scrunchies in there. You have like a little mesh here too, guys. And you have some rubber band, all colors. So guys, you can braid and use whatever color rubber band, guys. It wouldn't even show, okay? And then we have the little rat tail comb here. And the scrunchies. Okay, so here are all it. And then it's gonna, guys, the mannequin comes with the screw that you can use it on a table. Let me open it up for you to see what it comes with, guys. And the bag is so strong. Oops, yeah, got it open. Here's it, guys. This is the part that you put it on the table. You screw it like this, down, right. And then you're gonna put it on your table, whatever. And then you're gonna screw it up. And these are the parts that you're gonna put on. Right, you're gonna fit it up, guys. And then this to the middle right here. You're gonna put it like this. And then you screw it on. Show you how you can screw it on. Okay. Right here. And then you put it under, you release here. Take it down. And then if you have the table, whatever, remember onto the table like this. Or whatever you can put it on. So now let's dive into it, guys. Let me take out the mannequin, okay? Let me take the mannequin. Here is the mannequin, guys. Here is the mannequin. So let us take her out from the bag. Take her out from the bag, guys. Oh, but you know what? There she is, guys. And is 100% human. Okay, guys? It's human. There she is. Let me get a comb, guys. Let me get a comb. There she is. And let me put her on the stand that she comes with. Take it and put it on there like this. There she is, guys. And we have a new member in the family. So guys, I'll be using this mannequin to teach you guys how to silk press, okay? So we will get a different times like what we're gonna use up to show you how you can do the silk press. Here is the girl.